3.4 million people in the US have epilepsy, a brain disorder that can result in seizures causing things such as loss of consciousness and sensory disturbances. About 1 out of 3 of these people have drug-resistant epilepsy. That is why we are working with LivaNova. LivaNova, a medical device company, has created an implantable device to stimulate the vagus nerve to treat epilepsy. This device, known as the vagus nerve stimulator, has been used to treat over 125,000 people. Currently, there is no live battery measurement function to know precisely when the battery for each device will stop working. With the hospital, device, and implant data given to us, we leverage survival analysis to create a model that will predict the number of battery replacements needed per year for the next 10 years. Thus, we can help LivaNova prepare for future battery replacements to ensure there is ample supply for patients to continue receiving their treatment and maintain their quality of life. Thank you, and we hope you'll stop by our booth to learn more.